pan chicken bread pizza or chicken bread pizza on pan. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pizza recipes, and one of the most unique of the bread recipes, and one of the most delicious of the chicken recipes. Today we are going to make pan chicken bread pizza or chicken bread pizza in a pan. The ingredients are around 300 grams of chicken, cleaned and cut into pieces, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 15 grams of garlic, 3 red chilies, 25 grams of ginger, 1 onion cut into small pieces. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the onion pieces. Now put in the red cheese. Put in the fennel seeds. Salt the red chilies and the fennel seeds. Now put in the tomato pieces, the onion and the garlic. Thoroughly saute mix the garlic, ginger and the tomatoes with the rest of the mixture. Now put in the chicken. Put in salt to taste, mix, now pour in 300 ml of water. Mix thoroughly. Let the mixture cook for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, now the chicken pieces are nicely cooked and ready. You can take out the chicken pieces from the broth. Now shred the chicken piece so that nicely shredded into pieces. Now take around 150 grams of grated mozzarella cheese. Next, take 3 slices of bread and the chicken that we have shredded, and shredded mint leaves. We have taken fresh mint leaves. If you get oregano leaves and others, you can use that too. And onions cut into thin slices, and tomatoes cut into very small pieces. On a slice of bread, apply the pizza sauce, or you can apply ordinary ketchup if you don't get the pizza sauce. Apply the sauce thoroughly on the bread. Put in the shredded chicken on top. put in the onions, the thinly cut onions. Put in the small tomato pieces. Put in the mint pieces on top. Put in the mozzarella cheese and spread it on top. Now keep this piece aside and do this with the rest of the pieces. Apply the sauce on the next piece like before and repeat the procedure. In the same way. Now sprinkle pepper and chili flakes which we have powdered together onto the bread pizza. Pour in 150 grams of clarified butter. Spread it on the pan. Now in low flame, put in the bread pizza pieces. Into the pan. And cook for 2 to 5 minutes until the cheese melts. Close the lid and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the cheese starts melting, the pizza on pan is ready and can be taken off the flame. This is the final pan chicken bread pizza or chicken bread pizza on pan. One of the most delicious of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the snack recipes and one of the most delicious of the chicken recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pizza recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.